Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about chart of accounts in Oracle Fusion application. What is chart of accounts? The chart of accounts is the underlying structure for organizing financial information and reporting. An entity records transaction with a set of codes representing balances by type, expenses by function, and other divisional or organizational codes that are important to its business. The chart of accounts facilitates aggregating data from different operations from within an operation and from different business flows, thus enabling the organization to report using consistent definitions to their stakeholders in compliance with legislative and corporate reporting standards and aiding in management decisions. Understanding of key flex fields. Meaning of key flex field. Key flex field provide a way for Oracle Fusion applications to represent objects such as accounting codes, part numbers, or job descriptions, which combine multiple segments into a single object of concatenated segments. Architecture of key flex field. FlexField metadata is stored in the FlexField metadata tables. When you configure a key flex field, you define metadata about the key flex field, covering aspects such as segments are in structures in the flex field, value sets in each segment. This figure illustrates the main components in the chart of account structure and the way they fit together. The chart of account consists of segments that have value sets attached to them to determine the value from each used in creating account combination. Segments also have segment labels attached to them like primary balancing, second balancing, third balancing, cost center, natural account, intercompany. Segments are secured by security rules and accounts are secured by cross-validation rules. So these are the components that you can find in chart of accounts. Let's understand what are components in chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. Chart of account defines the number and attributes of various segments. Segments. Component of account combination. Value sets and values. Defines the attributes and values associated with a segment of the chart of accounts. Segment labels. Assign special functionality to certain segments such as balancing, cost center, natural accounts. Account combinations. Completed code of segment values that uniquely identifies an account. Rules used by chart of accounts. The chart of accounts uses two different types of rules to control functionality. First is security rules. Security rules prohibit certain users from accessing specific segment values. For example, you can create a security rule that grants a user access only to his or her department. Second rule is cross-validation rule. Cross-validation rule control the account combination that can be created during data entry. For example, you may decide that sales cost center 600 to 699 should enter amounts only to product sales account 4000 to 4999. So this was the overview of chart of accounts. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.